Hello everyone, welcome back to Chemistry 0620. In this video, I'm going to explain to you this question. This is about chromatography. As you can see here, we are given the chromatogram and there are two samples tested. We got two different food coloring, X and Y, are tested using chromatography. Three pure dyes, 1, 2, and 3 are also tested. The chromatogram is shown here. Which statements are correct? We are given three statements and we will see from the chromatogram. First of all, I would like to explain about chromatography. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a method of separation. Method of separation by allowing the solvent to get penetrate to filter paper. So here, this is the filter paper. And we will have a beaker. Normally we put a beaker like this. And then this beaker is filled by solvent. And then we will dip the paper until here, maybe around like this, around few centimeter below the baseline. When you dip it to the solvent will get absorbed and it will separate the substance into their component. For example, here, substance X, because we see there are three spots, it indicates it is a mixture. And substance Y, there are two spots, it is also a mixture. However, if it is only one spot like this, dye 3, dye 1, and dye 2 indicate it is pure. So if it is only one spot, it is pure substance. And that's why here, dye 1, dye 2, dye 3 are also tested because this is the reference. We will compare to dye 1, dye 2, and dye 3. Now look at the statement 1 here. X and Y both contain 2 or more dyes. And that's correct statement because X and Y, they contain several spots. Okay, so they are mixture and we can say statement 1 correct. How about statement 2? Dyes 1 and dyes 2 are present in both X and Y. You can look at the chromatogram here and compare the height of the spot. Dye 2 and dye 3, dye 2 and dye 3 are both present because they have the same height. So this is the reference and this is our sample. And then the last one is the RF. What is RF? RF is retardation factor. And what is retardation factor? It is actually the ratio between distance traveled by substance over distance traveled by solvent. How do we measure it? Look, there is a baseline here. Baseline is the starting point. So we place the sample here at the beginning, and then when the filter paper absorb the solvent, the substance will get separated. And this is the example. We got several substance. We got several spots here indicate they are mixture. And then how do we calculate RF? Basically, we will measure from baseline until the spot. That is distance traveled by substance. So for RF of dye 1 is 5 because we measure from baseline to 5. And then for the solvent front, it is from baseline Yeah, and then the distance traveled by solvent will be from the baseline until solvent front. And for this case is 8. So 5 over 8 is 0.625. Therefore, all the statements are correct